The Election Commission of India on Saturday said some misunderstanding resulted in the firing incident at a poll booth in Sitalkuchi Assembly constituency seat in West Bengal's Cooch Behar. The firing took place after locals attacked security personnel due to this misunderstanding. 4 people were killed and 7 injured in the firing incident. In a press statement detailing the sequence of events that led to the firing by personnel of the Central Industrial Security Force, the Election Commission said the voting process was going on smoothly at booth number 126 in Sitalkuchi Assembly constituency. The statement said a young boy named Manik was sick and was in the vicinity of the polling booth. 2-3 local women were tending to him. Quoting a report of the district police, the statement added that seeing this, CISF personnel present at the booth inquired about the boy's health. They also asked the locals if they would like to send him to the hospital in a vehicle of the local police that was nearby. However, some other local people thought that the boy was beaten by the CISF personnel, and as a result of such a misunderstanding, a few people present there raised hue and cry and assembled nearly 300 to 350 villages, including some women with household equipment that could hurt someone brutally. The statement said. It added that due to this misunderstanding, the agitated mob attacked the CISF personnel who were detailed at the polling booth with deadly equipment. But from this, the mob allegedly also tried to attack polling officials. In this attack, the EC said the CISF personnel and the Home Guard detailed at the polling booth sustained injuries. Following this, the personnel called for reinforcement and the quick response team standing near the booth rushed to the spot for their help. But the QRT vehicle was also attacked by the unruly mob and it was damaged severely. On being attacked, CISF personnel fired in open air to disperse the crowd and take control of the situation without causing any injuries to anyone. However, it did not deter the mob. Faced with no other alternative to save their lives and government property like EVM and other polling materials, the CISF personnel opened fire. As a result, 4 persons who got bullet injury succumbed to their injuries at the local hospital. The EC statement said. The Election Commission added that apart from the 4 deaths, 7 people were also injured in the firing. Once the mob had disappeared following the firing, the CISF personnel, Home Guard and polling officials were rescued and taken to a safe location. A reinforcement was called in and the bodies were sent for autopsy at the city hospital, Madhabanga. Meanwhile, the CISF has lodged an FIR at the local police station and the matter will be investigated, the EC said. Situation is under control and watched. Local police have been deployed along with the central forces, it added. News Desk Kaumudy, English.